crossing the James River on the longest footbridge on the AT. So we managed to walk into the clouds. We have a couple 4,000 footers coming up today. Hopefully it'll burn off soon. Jason can get some of his first views. So we're having a beautiful hike today. We had a big climb and now we're just walking along this ridge for a while, which is a good break. And we'll be looking for a lunch spot soon. Hopefully someplace with a good log to sit on and a nice view. And there he is, keeping up pretty good. Great view. And we still have a little ways to go up. Jason came out and joined me for a few days, and we did 15 miles starting at the James River footbridge yesterday, and he did an excellent job keeping up. And then last night we got to spend time with Happy, Sticks, Tumbleweed, and Pig, and they had packed out s'mores and they shared with us around the fire, so it was really just a nice night. And the hiking today has been like insane gorgeous. We went through the Guillotine this morning and the views have been amazing. We just had lunch and we're gonna do another 7, which will put us at 17 for the day. So I'm really impressed that Jason's keeping up. Maybe I'm just really slow, I'm not sure which. From Buchanan Cliffs on the way to the Cove shelter. We had to carry up 2 liters of water because there's no water up here. And my back is feeling it. So we got into Cove Mountain Shelter and we're gonna go up and look at the sunset, have a fire later, and eat some dinner. It was a good day. At Miller Gap Overlook. Hello. So I am resting. Jason's over there stretching, taking a very leisurely lunch. And there's been lots of trash cans, so I have no trash right now, so my bag is super light. And we're just trying to decide how many miles we're gonna do. And it's just so beautiful here. Nice little overlook, and we're just being super lazy because the weather is like insanely perfect. But at this pace, I'm not gonna finish the trail, let alone get to camp tonight if I don't get up and get moving. Passing by a great little shelter area. We're trying to decide now between 16 and 20 mile day. So we got 3.5 miles and then we'll have to make the decision. So Jason decided we're doing 20 miles today.
My last bad decision.
And now we have a 1,000-foot climb. Maybe a little more.
And then a 500-foot climb.
Yeah.
Right.
So we'll see if this was a good decision in a couple hours. We have 3.7 miles left.
If I die, tell the world my story.
He made it, but I broke him.
What the fuck?
Good morning. We're off. 20 miles down yesterday. We're walking. No one's broken. And we're going to do 5 miles into town and get some town food. And a really small resupply. And maybe some campfire treats for tonight. Trail into town is super easy today. When you have a 20-mile day, you get town food.
It's no joke. That's all it's cracked up to be.
Some cool rock formations that we're going through. I think Jason is feeling his 20 miles from yesterday. Are you still happy we did 20 yesterday?
It's killing me.
Well, you'd have to do it today otherwise. So
much worse today than I did yesterday.
we're roasting kielbasa over the fire tonight for dinner. Sticks and Happy Feet did this and we thought it was a brilliant idea. So we're having a charcuterie plate along with our hiker trash wine and cheese. So Jason, how is it?
It's terrific. Best kielbasa I've ever had.
Are you glad I carried that mustard all the way from Maine?
Are you glad I carried the kielbasa all the way up Mount Everest?
100%. All right, Tinker Cliffs. Gorgeous views today. Jason made it up here before me. Apparently he's feeling more peppy today.
Yes.
All right, we made it to the top. We are hot and sweaty. I was gonna take a break up here, but I don't know. I might need to find some shade. Jason's eating chili cheese Fritos off the ground, like true hiker trash. Only took 5 days.
Extra crunchy.
Oh my gosh, it is so hot today. McAfee knob was great. We had lunch up there. Jason's back taking a break, but we've got about 4 miles. And then tomorrow he goes home and I continue on. But it's been a good little visit. And it was nice to have someone from home here. I've been feeling a little homesick, so overall really good. Ooh, and it is sunny today and hot. Here he comes. He's looking tired. Can he make it another 4.5 miles? All right, going out of the pasture here. Like 2.5 miles left. Skipping any water that might be here because it is cow pasture runoff. More cow pastures. But I think about done. Looks like we're gonna go in the woods here soon. All right, yes. Jason, it's over. You made it.
I did.
What are your thoughts?
I thought it was amazing. I was really happy to be out here. The pace is just indescribable. I think that's the biggest thing for me. Like, walking, like when we started back in March, kind of hiking through the woods. This is not hiking. This is like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just relentless. And there's great times, and there's times I hated it. And I was out here for 5 days. So I don't know how you've done it. It's incredibly impressive.
Are you going to try a through hike?
Absolutely not. I don't have it in me. The mental fortitude, the toughness to do this day after day, week after week, month after month is, it's just not something I'm down with. I don't think. I mean, I think that a week or even maybe possibly a 2-week section would be doable, but I don't think I would. There's no way I would keep this pace up. I mean, if you weren't here, there's no way I would have kept this pace up to begin with. But it's great to get. I feel like I really have a feel of what a thru hike is like because of the pace.
Okay. Anything else?
Thanks for letting me tag along. Hope I didn't slow you down too much.
It was nice to see you.
Thanks.
All right. Good morning. It's 10 a.m. and I just got dropped off. Our shuttle driver was crazy. We tried to stay at Four Pines last night. I do not know what people are thinking other than the fact that maybe they don't give a donation, so therefore it's free. But that was... I can do pretty hiker trash, but that was too much for me. So Jason and I went into town, and we had an awesome dinner in Salem at this place, Mama Maria's, and they had like all the gluten-free pasta. It was so good. We just hung out, and then we were supposed to get a shuttle back at, he said he couldn't pick us up till 9, which was fine, and he was on time. And then we had to go pick up like 20 other people. It felt like all over the place, and now I'm finally back on the trail. Jason's probably not going to get to Glasgow until noon. So yeah, fun for everyone.